Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix the GoPro's broken battery strap. So recently my battery strap came off when I was trying to replace the battery. So firstly, to bring the battery out, use a plucker or a small wire and then gently try to bring the battery out. Make sure not to damage the inner parts of your battery compartment or your memory card. Pull your battery out slightly and then pull it out completely using your fingers. There you go. Your battery is out now. I tried sticking the same strap in again using its existing glue, but guess what? It's not that strong. With just a gentle pull, it comes off again easily. The solution is to use a good quality tape. Cut out a small piece of tape and now take a battery and stick it around it as shown. Make sure the tape is strong enough to hold on to your battery. Stick the tape such that the strap is around 1 centimeters in height. This will help in easily pulling out the battery. We are done. Now let's see if it works. I'll put the battery in, folding in any of the extra strap that's remaining outside. Now close the compartment. We'll now open the compartment and check if the battery is coming out easily. Hold your strap and now gently try to pull your battery out. You see, the battery easily comes out. Let me know if it works for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe.